Iteghete, number 9 in Igbo Numerology. In Igbo Numerology, number 9, Iteghete, also referred to as Itoolu, depending on the dialect, is highly symbolic. It represents fulfillment, enlightenment, mystery, power, end or finity, consciousness, and infinite wisdom. Each interpretation carries both positive and negative aspects, which highlights the dynamic interplay of energies and the complexity of this significant number. In this chapter, we will explore the 7 interpretations of Iteghete and their implications in Igbo Numerology. 7 interpretations of Iteghete in Igbo Numerology. Number 1. Fulfillment. Ikenga be mmadu, Ikenga be mmụọ, Ikenga be chi, Ikenga na-atọ. Positive aspect. Iteghete symbolizes fulfillment. One becomes akwa akwolo. They reach the point of perfect balance or beingness for one. This state of fulfillment encompasses physical, spiritual, and divine aspects, leading to a harmonious existence. It signifies the culmination of efforts and the realization of one's potential, which brings a deep sense of satisfaction and completeness. Negative aspect. However, the pursuit of fulfillment can sometimes lead to complacency. Once a person feels fulfilled, there might be a tendency to stop striving for further growth or improvement. This sense of completion can also create a resistance to change, which can hinder new experiences and opportunities from developing. Number 2. Enlightenment. Iteghete or Ijitofu is the number of chi energy. Positive aspect. Iteghete represents enlightenment. It symbolizes the higher state of awareness and connection with chi, spiritual energy. This interpretation emphasizes the journey towards spiritual awakening and the understanding of universal truths. It reflects the attainment of spiritual insight and the ability to see beyond the physical realm. Negative aspect. The pursuit of enlightenment can sometimes lead to detachments from everyday life and practical responsibilities. An overemphasis on spiritual matters might result in neglecting personal relationships and worldly duties. Also, the belief in possessing ultimate knowledge can enable arrogance and a lack of humility. Number 3. Mystery. Onyeyobe Mo of Fuchia. Positive aspect. Iteghete embodies mystery. It reflects the depth and complexity of the spiritual realm. This interpretation highlights the importance of being open to the unknown and seeking deeper understanding. It encourages curiosity, exploration, and the willingness to engage in life's mysteries. Negative aspect. Focusing too much on mystery can lead to confusion and a sense of being overwhelmed. The constant search for hidden truths might cause people to lose touch with reality and practical concerns. It can also lead to a sense of frustration if answers are not readily found, consequently causing disillusionment. Number 4. Power. Positive aspect. Iteghete signifies power. It represents the ability to influence and effect change. This power has to do with both personal strength and spiritual authority. It reflects the capacity to overcome obstacles and achieve significant goals. It highlights the importance of self-empowerment and the responsible use of one's abilities. Negative aspect. The pursuit of power can sometimes lead to domination and control. The desire for influence might overshadow ethical considerations and the well-being of others. An excessive focus on power can create conflicts, cause competition, and result in isolation. Number 5. End or finity. Ife foloyi or Ife juloyi. Positive aspect. Iteghete represents the end or finity. It symbolizes peace, rest, and the cessation of conflicts. This interpretation reflects the idea of reaching a state of perfect tranquility and resolution. It signifies the highest point of insight possible, as well as the completion of cycles and the attainment of harmony and contentment. Negative aspect: the focus on finality can lead to a sense of fatalism and resignation. Believing that everything has reached its end might discourage new beginnings and initiatives. It can also create a mindset of giving up too easily, which can hinder perseverance and resilience. Number 6. Consciousness. Positive aspect. Iteghete symbolizes consciousness. It represents the importance of awareness and presence. This interpretation emphasizes the significance of being fully present in the moment and understanding one's thoughts, emotions, and surroundings, as well as being synchronized with one's spiritual purpose. It embodies mindfulness, self-awareness, and the ability to live with intention. Negative aspect: an overemphasis on consciousness can lead to overthinking and anxiety. The constant analysis of one's inner states might result in mental fatigue and stress. It can also create a tendency to become overly introspective, neglecting external actions and interactions. Number 7. Infinite wisdom. Positive aspect. Iteghete represents infinite wisdom. It symbolizes the boundless knowledge and understanding that can be attained. This interpretation highlights the importance of continuous learning, growth, and the pursuit of truth. It signifies the deep insights that can be gained through experience, reflection, and spiritual practice. Negative aspect: the pursuit of infinite wisdom can sometimes lead to intellectual arrogance and a sense of superiority. Believing that one has all the answers might result in closed-mindedness and resistance to new ideas. It can also create a disconnect from practical realities where theoretical knowledge is not applied effectively. The sacred nature of Iteghete. Iteghete, with its roots word Iteghete and Nani, Ijitofu, which means one I amness or one beingness or aligned with the earth or consciousness, underscores the concept of unity and oneness in existence. This number symbolizes the culmination of cycles. It reflects a state of perfect balance and harmony. Iteghete represents the perpetual journey of growth, learning, and spiritual evolution, which embody the infinite wisdom and consciousness that guide us through life's mysteries and challenges. In conclusion, Iteghete, the number 9 in Igbo Numerology, carries very insightful meanings and interpretations. It symbolizes fulfillment, enlightenment, mystery, power, end or finity, consciousness, and infinite wisdom, each with its positive and negative aspects. Knowing these interpretations allow for a deeper appreciation of Igbo spiritual traditions and the wisdom they offer. We can all navigate our spiritual and physical path with greater insight and balance when we understand the multifaceted nature of Iteghete.